So I have the classic wood bed frame from LifeMenT. In this video, I'm going to show you everything that you get with your purchase and what the finished product looks like, so you know exactly what to expect when yours arrives. But we'll start off with what you get. So you're going to have all the pieces here. There's really not that much to it. They're all nicely labeled for you, and they give you all the tools that you need. And now the first step is just getting that frame and headboard together. And all that is just a couple bolts on each side of the headboard, and then the frame has 4 bolts on each side and then a couple in the corner. So I had the headboard and the frame put together in about 30 minutes. It was very simple. They gave me all the tools, and the instructions were very, very clear. Now the next step is just getting those slats down, and they're already put together for you. They got Velcro on them, so all you need to do is just lay them on there. They'll stick in place, and you can drill them down if you want. They do give you some screws for that, but they stick in place with the Velcro, and you're good to go. And now here is what that final product looks like. So I think it looks amazing. I always go with full wood bed frames because they're completely silent at night. And I have metal ones, and I've demoed a bunch of bed frames. After a while, the metal ones always start to squeak, or they squeak right out of the gate, and that just bothers me at night. So that's why I go with wood frames. That's why I went with this one, and I'm super happy with it. So I give this 2 thumbs up.